Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to create Etsy seller account. First of all you have to do is go to etsy.com/sell. This is the URL to create your Etsy seller account. So to avoid mistakes, you have to make sure to go to this URL. Otherwise you'll create the regular account. So make sure to go to this URL and click on get started. Now you have to give it your Google or Gmail address. Now you have to give your first name and enter your password that you want to create your account with. Click on register. Now click on let's do this. What brings you to Etsy? You can choose any option. You can also click skip this question. Now, is there anything you'd like to help with? Deciding what to sell, shop naming and branding. So I will skip this question as well. Start your shop. Now we have to give our shop language, which is English. Shop country, if you live in United States, you have to select United States, and shop currency is the United States dollar. I will click on save and continue. Now in the name of your shop, you have to give any name, for example, collection elegant art. Now this name is not taken. I will click on save and continue. Now stock your shop. You can also pick a category, for example, hats, rings, cushions, physical items or digital files. You can go, if you are selling physical items, you can select that. If you are selling digital files, you can select that. Who made it? I did, or a member of my shop, or you can select any option. What is it? A finished product. When it was made, I will select to 2225. How is this digital content created? Created with me, created with AI generator. You can select. Click on save and continue. And then you have to also select for the category, for example, clip art, image files. Click on save and continue. Now you have to stock your shop and you have to create a listing. For example, you can give a name of your product, add some photos, digital files, description, and you have to mention the price, the quantity, color, the secondary color, the length, the width. You have to give every detail about your product and then click on save and continue. And after that you have to give in your payment information, how you get paid, your PayPal, or you can give your bank information where you'll be getting paid whenever your product gets sold, and share your billing information where you have to confirm your banking details from the previous option. And then you have to go to your shop security. On this section you'll be able to turn on two-step verification on your text message or something like that, and then you have successfully created an Etsy seller account. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.